Well, hey there. Did you know that one of the best ways that you can get engagement on your Facebook page and all of your posts is to use something called keyword automation? So, what this looks like is you tell your audience either by text or by voice and say, comment the word blank, like whatever that keyword is that you want them to take action on. And when they type that out in the comments, an immediate message gets sent to their inbox. This creates engagement instantly on your post or your video. So, what it looks like is they comment the word, just say the word is the word new, and then your autoresponder will message them a link or a message that you create ahead of time. Then it additionally will go in and create a reply to their comment of that word. There are currently two popular companies that offer this keyword automation. One is ManyChat and one is InstaChamp. And so those are great options, and I will link them both below. However, did you also know that Facebook has its very own built-in keyword automation option tool for you to use for free? Are you excited? I'm telling you what, this is the best thing for brand new people on the platform or brand new people in business, as well as anyone who's wanting to save a little bit of money. Because these other two, ManyChat and InstaChamp, do cost monthly as a recurring payment. Depending on how many keywords you want to use in your business will determine which of the solutions that you go with. Now, Facebook doesn't come right out and say that they have limited the number of these automations you can set up, but it can get a little tricky if you're not keeping track of them. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me hop into it. So I'm going to share my screen. Navigate to your Facebook page. Now, this is done on desktop, okay? Once you're here, you are going to go over to the left-hand column, and we are not going to professional dashboard, but we are going all the way down here to the bottom to Meta Business Suite. Once you open up that Meta Business Suite, you're going to go over to the left-hand column again and go to Inbox. Once you click on inbox, you will see this fancy little, it's like a little star at the top next to create messaging ad. So you can hit this. It's called automations. Once you open that up, we're going to go over here to create automation in the top right-hand corner. Once you click on that, you'll get all of these pre-made options. You've got greet people, share information, custom keywords, which replies to messages, or this right here. We want to tap on comment to message. And once you hit that, you're going to hit create automation. All right, this is where it gets fancy. You can name your automation for your keyword anything you want. I recommend just naming it the keyword. So let's name it new. We're going to keep going with the new theme. And so this is going to be used on Messenger. When this happens, it says, my page will receive a comment that contains any of the selected keywords or phrases. So my word is also going to be new. Now, over in Facebook keyword automation, it is literal. So if they do not type out lowercase everything, NEW, they will not get the response. So I'm going to put in a couple of choices. I'm going to do all caps, and then I'm going to do an upper and lowercase option for the word new. Once I have all three possibilities in here, it says take this action, reply to the comment, and then send a private message. So I'm going to copy and paste one that I've already done, and then I'm going to show you how you can take it a step further. You see the example over here. It kind of shows you what they're going to get. Hi there, my friend. I'm so excited you're here. I can't wait to inspire you with all the good stuff. In the meantime, I'm dropping you my most requested links below. And so this is basically my solution for link in bio. You can put your link in bio or whatever solution you have for getting them all of your links. And that's going to be what is going to be responded to the word new. Okay, so if you had something else specific that you wanted to share, you would put that link here. Now over here, you can see that you can personalize your message with these little stars. So I'm going to tap on the little stars. Okay, first I'm going to find the spot where I want the personalization. So I think I'm going to say, hi there, my friend. I'm so excited you're here. And then I'm going to put their name right here. So I'm going to put here, and I'm going to put first name of recipient. You can do last name, full name, their Facebook page name, their website, their email, whatever you want. I'm going to put their first name and then continue with my message. So this is going to sound personal. If you come over here, you can see the example again. Hi there, my friend. I'm so excited you're here, Melanie. Of course, that's me, but for them, it would be their name. And then, of course, you continue with your message. And then this is the reply they will get on your feed. So wherever you have the post that's requesting the keyword, or you have the actual video, you are going to get this reply from Facebook. It's going to say, sent you a message. If you want to change this to anything else, like I'm excited to meet you and I sent you a message, you can change this up. But whatever you want it to say, this is how it's going to reply to every single one of the people who type in the word new. You're going to also make sure you toggle it on. They're going to comment whatever word you tell them to. You are typing it and setting it up ahead of time here in your back office. You are going to type the word in whatever case you want them to reply with. And it's hard for people to sometimes do it a certain way. So covering all your bases is a good idea. Not making the word too difficult to spell and not making it several words is really a good practice. So a short, simple word does best. And then Facebook's going to send them in their messenger, the whatever you put here, you can actually personalize the message. And then it's also going to go back over to that post and reply after their word. So if they type out the word new as a comment, it's going to reply, they're going to get a reply that says, I'm excited to meet you and I sent you a message. And then you're going to hit save changes. And then you're going to sit here and check and make sure that you have it toggled on. So I hope that's exciting to you, my friend. I hope that that's something that you are able to put into practice right now in your business. And I hope that it helps you with your engagement and all of the things with your page.